Today in Newport News, Governor Abigail Spanberger signed a legislative package to help transform sickle cell care. The legislation helps expand access to patients with the disease and improve education. Brianna Fallon has the details.
The legislation was created in honor of 15-year-old Candace Gabriella King, who died after a long battle with sickle cell. Secretary of the Commonwealth Candy King describes her daughter Candace as a bright light.
Candace was just such a lovely, energetic person.
Candace died in 2025 as a result of sickle cell, a genetic disease that changes the shape of red blood cells, possibly leading to intense pain and health complications. But now King says her daughter's memory will live on through the Queen Candace Act.
Candace's legacy will live on through the thousands of kids with sickle cell who will now feel seen and heard, who will have access to some of the best doctors, and I know that she would be proud.
The series of bills aims to improve education and healthcare access for Virginians with sickle cell disease. On Thursday, with King by her side, Governor Spanberger signed the legislative package.
Sickle cell disease has not received the research funding, the policy attention, or even the public awareness it demands.
Through the bill, Spanberger says public high school athletic coaches will learn the risks of the disease. School nurses will complete a training on how to identify and care for students with the disease. And licensed physicians, along with nurses, will be required to complete a bias reduction training as part of their continuing education requirement. Spanberger says she's happy to sign the legislation, calling it the first of its kind in the nation.
But today, Virginia is charting a different course. Virginia is choosing to lead.
Brianna Fallon, 13 News Now.
And according to the governor, the bills also establish the Sickle Cell Coordinated Access Network, connecting patients to specialists in real time.
Following her appearance in Newport News, the governor went to Western Virginia for a roundtable with cattlemen, farmers, and food producers. The governor heard directly about how recent extreme weather, high fertilizer costs, and federal tariffs are hurting Virginia farms. Spanberger is calling on the Department of Agriculture to expedite federal support for farmers impacted by frost and freeze this spring.